Welcome back to the channel, and today we are checking out Plasma, an engineering sandbox game made by the creators of Polybridge. Now, what I'm in right now is just the demo of the game, which I think is going to be made publicly available around October 3rd. So it looks like there's a bit of a tutorial path for me to follow, so we're gonna hop in and check it out. But as I turned around here, it looks like the path goes this way, so I want to go in the opposite direction first and just see what happens. Looks like I can jump, I can walk. There's probably some other things I'm gonna learn in a second, and it doesn't look like there's actually anything back there. I was just you gotta check. If you see the pathway goes somewhere else other than the main direction, you gotta check it. All right, so what do we got here? RC car controller. So we got a control and a light, interact with the light. Okay, you can see the light turn on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, grab and hold, grab. Oh my, am I supposed to be doing this? Oh no, I lost it, I lost it. I was gonna try to throw it, but I messed up. Wait, can I do that to this? All right, I got it. Oh my goodness, I didn't know I could throw it that much. There we go, be right back where you were. All right, now let's interact with this control. Oh, that's kind of fun. So I'm just using my mouse, and it just responds to my mouse, whatever my mouse is doing, but oh, look around. Hold shift to look around. Okay. But when I'm holding shift, I no longer have control over the car. Where'd the car go? This is kind of cool. So this is, I mean, I'm assuming it's showing us stuff that we're going to be able to do at any point. So it has RC controls, which is nice. R. Switch state. R. Oh, is that like build mode? Is this a walker? What? I'm assuming right now that everything that we're seeing is stuff that we could build from scratch. Do not touch. Switch state. Oh, there it goes. Oh, what if we hit that thing? All right, and it just landed over there. What is this? Click. Oh. All right, I got that. And then I can place it right in the middle here. Okay. And then press R. Dock. F. Ooh. WASD to drive, F to exit. Can I do like a third person view? Do I click things while I'm in here? Oh, this is cool. Ooh, that's cool. All right, here we go. Man, this is some cool, this is like, I feel like I'm in a playground right now. Oh, well, I'm sorry. Oh no, I knocked it over. Okay. Let's just leave the scene. Head over here. We got a hand over here. F to exit. There we go. Wait, can I open up the trunk too? That's pretty cool. Whoops. All right, we're just gonna throw it that way. All right, hand gestures, interact. Okay. 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 Oh yeah, there we go. This is so cool. These things are making so many noises. Here, you come here. What are you all about? Can I jump on top of you? Oh, okay. I don't maintain the same speed as the thing when I'm on top of it. No, it just goes up from underneath me. Okay. All right, what is this? E. Properties, E. Lamp, state on, off. All right, so we can turn it on, off with this here. Oh, ooh, man, look at the lighting, looks so good. Like just the lighting on the ground and everything. Range, whoa. Oh, this is some customizability. We can change the color as well. Oh, I see. Oh, that is so cool. We've got RGB. This is a gamer lamp. All right, let's just put in the bright white. Friction. Why does my lamp need friction? I love lamp is what I'm gonna name it now. All right, let's exit. Okay, so now, oh my god, it's literally a playground. Like we have a carnival. Looks like there's a walker over there. I'm overwhelmed with like, I'm following the path, but it's hard to not get distracted by everything else. All right, cute. Whoa, what did I just do? Tutorial example. All right, now we're learning how to program stuff. Connect the two nodes together by following the example above. So we have the button. When the button gets pressed, it opens the door. So now when this button gets pressed, it opens the door. Oh yeah, see, it doesn't even close it because it was programmed to open only. What? Properties. Okay, now we're getting insane. I don't even know if I want to dive into this right here. Oh my god, I can play Pong. Can we program Pong in this game too? I don't know if there's points registered. Oh my god, and it's increasing in speed too. This is actually gonna get harder. All right, one of us is gonna lose. Man versus machine. How's it gonna go here? Oh, I lost. All right, doesn't look like there's any scores or anything though. Open sketch? Oh! Okay. All right, now I'm a little lost. Yep. Okay. All right, the potential for this game is way over my head. I heard that there was a bit of a learning curve, but hopefully it's not too hard to start off with some basic stuff. All right, we can join the Discord or follow the Twitter. This belongs to the manager, it seems like. Well, there's no manager here other than me. All right, wait a minute. Is this an actual, like, computer made with Sketch? Watch camera feed. What? Hold on, if I open the Sketch, is this the programming of the actual computer? Wait, I'm typing on the computer. Oh, watch camera feed. Oh, this is the drone. This literally goes into the camera drone. Oh, you ready for this? All right, hey you. Get over here. Get over here. I see the camera on it. Ready? All right, you stay right there. All right, watch camera feed. There it is. Oh, you're gonna, you're into some issues. Yeah, so there's the camera right there then. That's pretty cool. All right, here you go that way. All right, let's start. I'm getting way too distracted by stuff. What is this? Oh, time of day slider. And it looks like it has a light sensitive and automatic light. Environment controller. Yeah, so however you use this programming menu, this light has been programmed to turn on at night. There we go. And turn off during the daytime, which is pretty cool. Are these the controls for... Oh. Okay, we got like a hover thing, altitude. All right, that's interesting. So this has a height controller and flight controls. So I'm assuming this stuff probably gets easier as you play around with it. It looks like there's some type of like parkour course or like vehicle course over there. I don't know if I'm supposed to drive this thing down there, but I don't see any cameras on here, so let's not mess with that just yet. All right, what is this? Is this the speed? Oh, that's the speed. Can I get in? I think I can get in. Oh, I'm in. Oh, this is fast. All right, let's get out. And what is this, off? There we are. Entering build area. All right, so there's a build area, and this is the House of Sketch. So I'm assuming this teaches us a little bit about the basics of the sketch menu. So here is the programming of a button to turn on a light, I assume. So we have a button. When it is pressed, it toggles the lamp. Oh, and there's also, you can have a release control as well. So I could have this so that when you press it, it turns on the lamp. Here, let me unhook this. I just realized I don't know how to unhook things. Oh, you right click on it. Okay, there we go. All right, so when you press it, it turns on. Then when you release it, it turns off. So now it should just be, oh, that's not. Oh, there we go. I just had to reset the state. Yeah, so now I just changed the programming of the button. Well, that's easy. And then I can change its like default settings. Let's just max everything out, see how much brighter it feels, and we'll change it to pink. All right, now let's see how it feels. Yeah. Yeah, I'm programming. I'm a programmer now. All right, what is this one? This one doesn't seem to work. Oh, now do I actually have to do... Oh, now it's gonna teach me how to do it from scratch, pretty much. So I can drag any components from the list over here that are attached to... Oh, so these are all the components that are on this device. So I have the button, this thing, the lamp, and this thing. So LED... controller. Okay. The lamp node is missing. You can drag the lamp node onto the sketch from the components list. I can also try the LED. Let's do both. Oh, I don't have enough room. Here, let me move that up. Does that have room down here? There we go. So now let me see if I understand. I want to try to make these swap so that when one's on, the other one's off. Like, on constantly. So I'm going to do pressed goes into toggle for both the LED and the lamp. And then I'm gonna have the state of this be on by default. I think that's how it works. So now when I press this button, there we go. It toggles them on and off. Excellent. All right, I'm learning. All right, number 3. All right, pink connections. Wait, what does this do first? Okay, so this is a servo controller. Pin connections are connected to properties and carry data. In this case, the value is defined by the pressed and released outputs of the button. Red nodes represent mechanic components. So the pressed and released have a number before them. The outputs can be customized. Pressed output is set to 100, released is set to 0. So that's cool. You could actually have it where like by default, it is half speed, right? Yeah, so by default, it's half speed. And then when I press the button, it speeds up. All right, what is next? Number 4. Wait, let's see what it does first. Okay. Yeah, so this is like a power slider. Or I guess it could be a dimmer if it was a light. Notice how the motor does not have on or off commands. Instead, it reacts to the data that is fed to its properties. Properties can be changed manually or by connecting it to another node, like in this case, a slider's output position. Oh, that's cool. You can change whether you move the mouse side to side or up and down. Connect the slider's output position to the content property of the LCD to see its value. So, content. So now... Oh, yeah, there we go. There's the percentage. Perfect. Can I make this go faster, though? So, target speed is only 100. Can I make it, like, more? Oh, there we go. Yep. Let's turn it down. Down to 0. And if I go back up... Oh, that's interesting. So, it didn't retain that value. It set it back to 100. I don't know how to, I don't know how to change it so that 100% here equals 36,000 over here and keep it that way or not. All right, well, let's move on to this one. What does this one do? That one seems like it is moving faster than the 100% on this one, isn't it? It is. All right, I guess I'm gonna learn my question that I just had. Oh boy, percentage mapper. Oh. Yes, this is exactly what I was looking for. So from 0 to 100% over here gets mapped to 0 to 500 over here. So I could put this up to, I think 36,000 was the maximum. So now the target speed should also be 36,000, right? All right, connect the number output of the percentage mapper to the content. All right, so now we should see that happen. So here we go. Now we're at 0. And then, yep, up to 36,000. There we go. So I had my question immediately answered on how do I change the max speeds of these sliders. All right, that's good. What is this? Oh, this is a knob. Under, within, over. Okay, this is interesting. We can browse the logic node library by pressing the spacebar. Oh boy, there's math. Images and drawings. Oh, this is interesting. Logic nodes need commands to operate. In this case, we're sending the output analog value of the knob to the value property of the range tester, but nothing happens until the test command is also triggered in the same node. Try clicking on the T icon next to the outputs of the range tester to change the data type. Oh, T. Okay. Image. Oh. All right, so I don't know. I'm just gonna select some random stuff just to see what happens. So if it goes below this limit, 33%, it's gonna show me that whatever image I just selected. If it goes within the range, oh wow, we have all kinds of sounds. Oh, you could make music with this game. Let's have that when it gets within, and then the above is going to be, I don't know, what is this gonna do? I'm just gonna select Boolean. All right, I don't know what's gonna happen now, but let's see what happens. Under. All right, there we go. Under is Q, then. I didn't hear a sound trigger. True. All right, this is empty. I guess the sound didn't work. Let's change it to a color. Let's just do red. All right, so now it gives you the RGB value instead of displaying the color. That's kind of funny. All right, and then what is this one? Hello. Okay. There's a lot more to learn about sketches. One good way to learn is to experiment, try out different logic nodes and components and connect them together to create behaviors. All right. Oh, there we go. So now I was able to change it so that the LCD displays the percentage here instead of just hello by going to content and changing it to val, because this variable writer gives the val variable. This is pretty complicated. Like, I'm not gonna lie. This is a little overwhelming. So now that I know, let's go ahead and check this thing out. Now that I know what sketches, how they kind of look. Oh, follow? Is this thing gonna follow me now? Oh, that sounds complicated. As far as building something like that. No way, and it walks so well. How do you program something like this? I guess I'll find out when I look in the controls. All right, it's here now. So, oh my goodness, this thing straight up lagged out my game when I opened up this sketch. Oh no, yeah, see? You see this? You see this? You see this? You see all this math? No, there's no way I'm ever gonna be able to do that. Okay, yep, I'm over my head now. Yep, nope. You didn't even stay in the lines. Your programming goes outside of your boxes. What? Sorry for the mess, it wasn't me. Oh no. This is the build area. All right. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Wow. We've got a whole tutorial built into these screens. And you know what's funny about this is, you can probably build these tutorial screens yourselves. Tab. Whoa. Okay. Now I have, what? A gamepad interface? A gyroscope? Outputs the angles and velocities. Oh, man. Observation room? I could just, all right. Well, there you go. I built an observation room. So base building seems like you can build some pretty cool things. All right, you know what? Maybe I should actually go into... Wait, oh, can I scale every part?
In Plasma, most components can be scaled.
Whoa! All right, so now if I take this plate and then I hold control... Oh, that is not... Oh, do I have to have it... Oh, there we go. I gotta put it down first. Then... Oh, I can only go up to 500%. Okay, it has us be reasonable. But apparently we can also... Oh no, I guess this one is not one of the objects that you can scale multiple axes. Here we go, cube. I got a basic cube here. So now, if I press W, I can switch which axis gets scaled. Oh, this is so cool. I could grab it, put it up here, then hold it there. Okay, interesting. Properties. I can change. Oh, now I understand this stuff. I can change the mass and the friction of it just like this. All right, I'm gonna put bounce way up. Ready? Bounce is way up. Okay, that's what it's like with bounce way up. What's it like with the bounce all the way down then? All right, well, there's a difference. All right, I'm gonna watch some more of these how-tos and see if there's anything else interesting. Okay, so I just took like 30 minutes to go through all of these tutorials, and they have taught me how to build this flashlight, which you can see I can turn the flashlight on and off, and then I can also carry it around with me and shine it on things. And if I wanted to, I could just throw it away over there. It also taught me how to build this base with a passcode. So I can type in the passcode, the door will open for 2 seconds and then close. I can also just press this button from the inside to open the door. It'll close after 2 seconds. And really cool thing, I have a tint dimmer. So I can actually raise and lower the tint in this base. Because apparently the observation room, which is this big piece here, and then these windows that I put in there have a glass opacity that you can just program into like a knob or like a switch and just turn them on and off as far as percentages go. So that's really cool. So it's super easy to build bases actually. Like here, I'm actually going to just delete that part, open up my structures, and I can just add a connector in here, a glass connector on top of that one. There we go. And then if I wanted to, I could go ahead and rotate this. So now the glass is on the side. Then I can add an L shape. Oh, that is not the way that I want the L shape. So I'll just rotate it like that. And then let's add a warehouse onto this. There we go. Now we got a warehouse, no windows in this one. And I can go ahead and block all these holes just like this. And if I do middle mouse click, I'll actually keep the part. Let me get that away from my face real quick. There we go. Oh, should have had another one. And then look, I can put a window right up there. So base building is like super easy and fast with these structures. And let me test what I've learned so far. Let me delete that, and I'm gonna add a door here. So now let's see if I can make this door open on its own. Not with a button. Well, let's see what else we have. Yeah, let's use a switch. There we go. So I'll put a switch there. So now this I'm assuming is door number 2, and I just put a switch on door number 2. So when the switch goes on, the door opens. When the switch goes off, the door closes. So just like that. Oh, I actually have this switch upside down. So let me go back into the build mode here and just rotate that the other way. There we go. It's now open and closed, and open and closed. So now can I do that? I didn't figure out if I know how to do that from the other side. So I put another switch out here. There we go. Switch number 2. Can I also have that go into here? This might actually not work. They might conflict with each other. Let's see what happens. So if I click that, it closes the door, opens the door, then I'm inside, closes. That actually seems to work. I thought the switches might conflict. Oh, they do actually kind of conflict a little bit. To prevent that conflict happening, I can probably, let's delete these. I can probably use some logic. So I think I can maybe use this basic flip-flop so that if either of these switches are toggled, it just flips between either open or closed. Let's see if that works. Now if I press this, Oh, wait, well, hold on. If I press that, it opens. And then it closes, and it opens, and then closes. Okay, and then this one should do the same. Closes, opens, closes, opens. Good. And if I press that from this side, then press that. All right, I think I figured it out. So this is essentially working as an exclusive ore. All right, and then one of the other things it had me build, which is actually really awesome, is this plasma cannon. So this is all that it is right here. I have a lever, a knob, and a button, and it is controlling. I have a servo and a hinge, basically. So this controls the hinge, like this. And then this knob controls the servo, so I can aim it left and right. And then when I press this, it fires the plasma cannon. So I have that little block over there. I've already knocked it around a couple times. So I can go ahead and try to aim. And then do that. And that was a miss. So I'll aim a little bit this way. Aim up a little bit, you know. And a little bit too high. Aim down. There we go. And you can see there's there's actually a decent amount of blast damage. Well, not like damage, but force. So I was kind of curious. I want to build off of this a little bit and see if I can figure out how to add like a viewing camera to see what this is aiming at. Let me just type in camera. There we go. Let me put this camera facing like that. All right, so now there must be a screen. There's the touch screen. Can this show me things? Here, let me put this right there. Oh, that's upside down. That's okay. I can just, All right, so I have no experience with using these LCD screens or these cameras, but let's see if I can figure out how to make a sight for this thing. So we have a touch screen. Oh my goodness. And we have a camera. So the camera feed should go into the content of the touch screen. Okay, well that doesn't work. Oh, image. Let me go image. And then can the image be like, can I source the image from somewhere? Current? Apply. Oh, no way. I think I just kind of figured it out, but it is, oh, okay. All right, it was a little unintuitive just figuring out how to map it out, but once you know it, it's kind of obvious. So you have to have it show an image, and then the image that it shows has to be just current, and then that ends up being the feed from the camera. So now I just need to change, the camera itself is just oriented in the wrong direction. So now it should be right side up. There we go. All right, so how's the aim on this? All right, so now that I have my camera all hooked up, I'm just cloning these, and I can clone from, so if I press L, it shows me what the host object is, and then each subsequent object built off of that. So if I clone just this, you can see it'll just be the one, but if I clone this, it'll be everything built off of that. And you know what, I can just go ahead and place that right there, clone that again, and place that right there for a new object. And then let me add some supports down here. There we go. But yeah, if I clone the bottom or the parent object, it'll clone the entire thing. And now I think I actually have to individually spawn these things in. There we go. All right, now let's go back to our drone, or not our drone, our turret. And now we can aim at stuff. So let's go ahead and... All right, that's apparently a heavier object. Let's aim up. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. So now what I don't like about this right now is when I go up, it goes down, which is a little bit unnatural from this control perspective. So one thing I could do is rotate this around, but I want to see if I can figure out how to program it differently so that way that up arrow stays up to be more natural. So now hopefully there's a logic that is like invert. No. Negate. Oh man. Oh, maybe if I'll just swap these percentages. So we go from 30% to negative 30% instead of negative 30% to 30%. So now if I go up, yeah, there we go. All right, that was even easier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, is there a universal joint of this so I don't have to have these as separate controls? Oh, perfect. There's a joystick right here. All right, let me put that there then. Okay, I'm just learning how to improve this. So we don't want the lever. We want the joystick. So the vertical position has to go into this percentage mapper, and then the horizontal position has to go into this percentage mapper. So now let's see if that works. Oh boy. Okay, hold on. Things are just a little bit weird right now. So when it's in its default state, it is facing to the left. Actually, I think all I need to do is just rotate this on its own. So it's facing like that. All right. There we go. Yeah, so now it actually does work. It is just a little bit too sensitive, and when I let go, it automatically goes back to 0, which I think is fine. Oh, no, it's not fine, because now I can't actually press the button while I'm aimed somewhere. Because the joystick doesn't stay where it is, unlike the lever, which stays where I want it to be when I let go. Oh, wait, sorry, I'm getting distracted now. Webcam allows me to display my webcam on a screen. So then if I have this screen here... Oh, no way is this gonna work. Am I gonna see my face right now in the game? Oh, here we go. I gotta actually select my webcam. Oh, no way. This might actually work. Wait, it's not working yet. Oh, no. This game, I think I broke the game trying to do the webcam thing, unfortunately. Oh, it's gonna crash, isn't it? Alright, well, I crashed the game trying to input my webcam into the game, and it probably happened because I'm using my webcam and recording with it right now, so it probably can't use 2 of them at the same time. But one last thing, I did not see what this area over here was all about, so let me go ahead and... Oh, W times 2? Oh, that's how you go faster! Oh, this is a parkour course. Oh, this just teaches space times 2. Oh. Oh, so good. Now there's like a god mode flying ability. Magic 6-wheel. Alright, oh, is this basically like a magic 8-ball? Should the people watching right now subscribe to this channel? Oh, there you go. Absolutely. Should the people watching also check out my other channel, Catarinth, on the community tab to participate in a puzzle that's being released over the next couple of weeks? Look at that. Look at that. I have no control over what the results of this thing are, but we just got 2 absolutely's. Like, watch, if I hold it here, there's a no. If I hold it again, another absolute. It really likes absolutely. This is a very okay, well, it's getting a little bit more negative now. It's getting a little bit more negative now. Possibly getting more negative now. All right, let me ask it a question. Do you get angrier the more I press this button? Or, okay, I'll take yes and no. I'll take that answer. All right, what else is up here? I want to get an overview of this whole world right here. Okay. Ooh, whoa. I see something. I see something over here. What is this? Little end of the video bonus. What? Wow, look at this thing. Oh, and F to get in. Oh, this is so cool. Motor. Gotta turn that on, I assume. There we go. Oh boy. Is there a third-person view that I can do when I'm in vehicles? Not that I can see right now. But hey, I'm driving. Got a bonus vehicle here. Let's hop out and see what the rest of the vehicle looks like. Oh, look at the suspension pieces. That's cool. You even got like AC in there. You've got like math expressions in here for the motor and stuff. I hope it's not that hard just to build a basic vehicle. Oh look, they used a flip-flop too for the doors. I guess I was on the right track. All right, well that was just a first look at this game. If you guys want to see more of this game on the channel, definitely let me know down in the comments below what you think. I haven't even gone into like, you know, the free build area yet. I was just over here. Apparently there's this this thing, and it looks like it's the same map but without all the stuff built on it. So I think it's just this environment right now for the demo, and then the main release is probably gonna have a bunch more of environments. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I haven't even looked at yet. Like look, there's a claw, there's fans, exhaust, a frontal extender, lateral extenders, like for like mechanical thing, drones, like there's thrusters, shock absorbers, and on top of that, there's even a whole page of pre-made devices that I could spawn in and see what they're all about. So let me know what you guys want to see. I'll leave a link to the Steam page down in the description if you're interested in checking out more information about the game. If you guys enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy some more that you can see on the channel right here on the end screen. Hope this video has earned your subscription. Anyway, this has been ScrapMan, and I'll see you next time. Bye.